Taking a breathing space, making a conscious change in your posture so it has a sense of being awake. Now closing the eyes if that's possible. Begin step 1 by seeing what's going on in your mind and body right now. What's the weather pattern like inside? What thoughts are around? What feelings are here? Any sensations in the body? Not trying to change anything, but being open to what's already here. Now moving to step 2, bringing the attention to the breath. Narrowing the spotlight of attention on sensations of the breath in the abdomen. Tuning in to the changing physical sensations of the in-breath for its full duration and the out-breath for its full duration. And if the mind wanders, simply acknowledging where it went and gently bringing it back to the breath. And now, step 3, expanding the focus of your awareness around the breath to take in the whole body, as if the whole body were breathing now. Aware of your posture, your facial expression, sensations on the surface of the skin, and from right inside the body. Holding in awareness all the sensations in the body right now, just as they are. Coming home to the body. Coming home to this moment.